Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Hedgehog in the Fog token. Ticker symbol is HIF, H-I-F. Now it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing coming soon. And we're going to go over the information on the Hedgehog in the Fog token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So they have a massive Twitter following here. I'm going to put their Twitter up right in the corner of the screen right there. 133,600 Twitter followers. And it says here, it's just the Hedgehog in the Fog, HIF on TON. And that they're talking about the TON blockchain. And their Twitter is at Hedgehog TON. And they have a blue verified check mark. 130 posts so far, and yeah, a lot of Twitter followers, just a short amount of time. They just joined in May 2024, and they already have a massive Twitter following. Now, it was just announced on Twitter at Bitmart Exchange, tweeted out, upcoming new listing, Bitmart will list HIF, the Hedgehog on TON, Hedgehog in the Fog token soon. Keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. So one way to get this token is on Bitmart. So you could download Bitmart from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Then when it gets listed, go into the trade section and search HIF, which is the ticker symbol for this token. And then simply just buy the token. But you will, of course, have to wait until it gets listed. So you can follow their socials, like the Twitter, the Telegram, and they're going to let you know when exactly that listing date is. Now, if you want to see how the token is doing, you can check them out on DEX Tools. They're actually trending number 8 in the DEX Tools section, on the TON section on DEX Tools. And on there, you could find, I believe, this is their TON scan here. Let's see if we can pull that up there. And yeah, Mittens. The Mittens token is trending number 1. Maybe I'll have a look at Mittens later on today. A lot of cat tokens these days. So yeah, trending number 8 right now on DEX Tools. They have a market cap of $6.53 million. A very popular project here. They have $707,840 in liquidity on Ston.Fi, and they have 8,850 holders so far. So another way to get this token, maybe Bitmart is not available in your country, you can get it off Ston.Fi by funding your decentralized TON wallet with TON, going into the dApps, finding Ston.Fi, and then trading your TON for the HIF token using the contract address that you can find on their webpage, hedgehoginthefog.xyz. Right at the very top of their webpage, there is a how to buy section in case you didn't understand what I just said. There's also a button that says buy HIF, and that will take you over to Ston.Fi. And there's a button that says copy contract address. So basically all the links you need there. So Hedgehog in the Fog isn't just a cryptocurrency. It's a whole world inspired by the legendary cartoon. We bring together meme lovers and crypto enthusiasts to create something truly unique. Forget boring tokens, our Hedgehog brings fun and a bit of magic into the world of crypto. This is the roadmap of the universe of the Hedgehog in the Fog. Hedgehogs from new universes will be added. Stay tuned. And so they have a roadmap here, and it says just a Hedgehog in the Fog, and it says original 1974. So I guess this is an old classic like cartoon drawing. And it says here just a Hedgehog in the Fog. So this is kind of like a meme roadmap here. But yeah, they do have the how to buy there underneath the roadmap, and then a big disclaimer at the bottom of their page. And besides that, on DEX Tools, it says they have a 24-hour trading volume of $899,360. And they have a total market cap of $6.48 million and a total token supply of 200 million tokens. So they also have here 10.34 million pooled HIF tokens in Ston.Fi. And they have a DEX score of 82 out of 99. They lost some points for information because, like I said about their webpage there, it's very much just like a meme roadmap. There's not like actual, tons of info on here. This is a Hedgehog token, folks. It's memed out. It's not, going to have, if a token's based on an animal, only sometimes it's going to have a lot of utility. Now, they also have a community trust score of 83.3% out of 6 votes. And I don't see a quick audit on DEX Tools. Sometimes they have quick audits on there, but I don't see one today. Maybe there's an audit somewhere else, though. Like maybe I don't know if DEX Screener actually even has TON tokens on it. I'll have to check because sometimes there's quick audits on DEX Tools as well. Now, if you go over to the tonviewer.com and you put in this contract address, it says Hedgehog in the Fog, and then it says HIF Master balance, and it's got all the transactions on there, so you can find lots of info on the TonViewer page. But yeah, we could try to see if there's an audit on DEX Screener. A quick audit will pop up before we wrap this video up here. But they also have the Telegram that you could join. So the Telegram is at, wow, lots of followers there. At Hedgehog in the Fog EN for English, 638,097 Twitter followers. And you can preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding the project along with the Twitter. But they sure do have an insane following here. And that's, that's why they're trending in the top 10 there on DEX Tools in the TON section and doing very well just in general. Tons of numbers all over the place here for this token here. But very much just a meme token. Doesn't look like it's popping up here on DEX Screener. I just punched in the contract address. But, oh, there it is right there. So it's actually up 19.2% today as well. And yeah, $949,000 in liquidity. It says $6.4 million market cap. Trending number 3 on DEX Screener. 24-hour trading volumes $1 million. This token pair was actually just created on Ston.Fi 11 days, 5 hours ago. So that's how well they're doing in just a short amount of time. And yeah, I don't see any quick audits on here either. So anyway, just a, cartoon meme coin. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.